Watching Adam Aron scam retail investors over the last couple of years has been one of the most disgusting things I have seen in the stock market in quite some time. Yes, the AMC stock short squeeze began as some sort of a magical movement between retail investors against the hedge funds. United we stood, and united we took the price of AMC stock from basically $1 per share all the way up to $70+ per share. Now, Adam Aron entered the scene. I don't know if it's because of the interview with Trades or what, but for some reason, a faction of retail investors began to look up to Adam Aron as some sort of a silverback. So much so that he's got silverback written in his Twitter profile. Adam Aron believes he is the leader. He believes he is the savior, so much so that he has recently tweeted he is going to be leading apes to the promised land. What deceit has seeped into this community? I'm going to be going over a few things I see going on Twitter right now, and hopefully, in the most rational way possible, not allowing my emotion and my distaste for Adam Aron to seep through, but in the most rational way possible, allowing us to once again know that Adam Aron is not leading us to the promised land. That a reverse split is absolute death to any sort of a squeeze or any sort of a price rise that we would hope for AMC, and it's going to be one of the end game factors in this entire situation in a bad way. Let's talk about it, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Clay, you guys, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you get Webull in the description. 6 to 12 free stocks for any deposit, and you guys are earning 5% on cash balances. Make sure to check it out. But I want to jump into this stuff real quick. I've seen, and this is not the minority, right? The stuff that you see out on Reddit, the stuff that you see out on Twitter, this is getting a little weird. Now, fortunately, the people that watch these videos here are very intelligent. The majority of you guys understand what a reverse split is going to do, what this conversion is going to do, and so on. But just in case you need to discuss it with somebody else, just in case somebody who is watching this video that believes to the contrary, we need to go over it once again, because we are at a very crucial pivoting point in AMC Entertainment's future when it comes to retail investors. This tweet out there says, AMC fake owners don't want the reverse split and conversion because they want AMC to fail. And they want shorts to not have to close all of their fake shares that they printed by the billions. That is completely and utterly false, okay? AMC, here's the deal. AMC is not going to fail without a reverse split and without a conversion. In the event that AMC does fail, let me just tell you that that's not because of retail investors. That's because of the management at AMC Entertainment. Companies don't run themselves by begging new investors to come in and by begging for more money from their investors. Companies run because they are able to generate a revenue that exceeds their expenses. As simple as that. And I understand if it seems harsh, right? But if you can't run a business, you shouldn't be running a business. I hope that hits home with you. I know it's a very difficult concept for somebody who makes a tweet like this to understand, but if you can't generate revenue that exceeds your expenses, you failed, not the retail investors. We're moving on to the next one. Guys, I hate hearing when people say that. This one, after degrading Judge Zern a little bit here. If you really still doubt that a reverse split doesn't kill their short positions in AMC, I don't know what to tell you. Well, I fortunately know what to tell you. That is incorrect, all right? That is the easiest way to destroy a squeeze, not a short position. Let's just discuss the numbers briefly, all right? If you believe short positions are going to be destroyed by a debt-free AMC, you are incorrect. All right? People short companies all the time that don't have debt on their books. It is simply because the price is inflated that they short those positions. Short positions, at least logical ones, come to be because arbitrageurs see the difference in value. Think about this with me for a second. If AMC Entertainment was trading below its fundamental value, people would buy in, driving that price higher. If AMC is trading well above its fundamental value, people short that stock in hopes and knowledge that it will go back down to its fundamental value. So it doesn't matter if it's debt-free. It doesn't matter if it's sitting on $100 billion cash. If the price is inflated beyond the fundamental value, you will have short positions. So, first of all, that's incorrect. Second of all, I want to talk about how a reverse split, this conversion, and Adam Aron's future dilution will destroy any hope that retail investors have. There are currently 150 million short shares being reported on AMC Entertainment. I don't care if you believe that there are 150 trillion short shares outstanding. There are only 150 million being reported. They will not have to cover 150 trillion short shares, 150 billion short shares. They will have to cover 150 million short shares. So first of all, understand that number. Second, when it comes to AMC stock in this reverse split, when the reverse split takes place and reduces the outstanding shares by a factor of 10, it is going to reduce the outstanding short shares by a factor of 10. Now, we know that the stock price should theoretically increase by a factor of 10, so the amount of money that is being shorted doesn't change. But that's going to take the amount of short shares outstanding from 150 million down to 15 million shares. Okay? I hope we can understand and we're on the same page so far. 15 million short shares will be in existence. That is all that they will have to cover. Let's just assume that AMC's stock price remains the same and it does not dump off after this reverse split and after shareholders understand that Adam Aron has a massive amount of future dilution. Let's just take the assumption that for some reason it doesn't dump off. AMC Entertainment and Adam Aron are going to have the opportunity to dilute with a further authorized 500 million shares. He doesn't have to issue them all at once. He doesn't have to dilute AMC stock in a very short period of time. But if hedge funds know that they only have 15 million short shares in existence, don't think for a second Adam Aron is going to sell or dilute those shares into the pockets and into the hands of retail investors. He sells directly to sophisticated or institutional investors. Therefore, the 500 million shares available will go directly to the hedge funds. It's going to go directly to the shorters, and it's going to kill and cover the measly 15 million short shares that will be outstanding at that point. So let's just think whose idea or whose position this reverse split and conversion kills. Is it the short thesis, which exists because the price is inflated beyond the fundamental value? Or is it the retail investor who wanted to come in and have a chance at squeezing a hedge fund or an institution out of their profit, buying up those shares in quantities that they knew the hedge funds would not be able to buy back? I think that you guys are intelligent enough to answer that question. But in case like people who make these tweets are watching the video right now, I'll answer it for you. It absolutely kills retail investors' thesis. It absolutely kills the short squeeze thesis. It absolutely destroys retail hope by building up Adam Aron, by building up AMC Entertainment, and by building up the hedge funds that he is going to directly dilute into the hands of. I hope that it is as clear as possible the direction that AMC Entertainment is taking, the direction Adam Aron is taking, and here's my hopes on this one. I hope that these people on Twitter and Reddit and so on are simply misguided. If they are out there to get you to fall into the pocket of Adam Aaron. I believe that that is just as bad as Adam Aaron is. So I hope the people that made those tweets, that they're just simply misled, misguided, and can be put back on course. Because if they're out there trying to destroy retail as well, that is sickening. I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. And if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. Free Discord. And until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.